So when you're holding the space, and you're holding the space for boards, you're doing the sort of the magician work. And
yeah, the magician work, the Merlin work, which is in a sense what I try and do, which is sort of being Merlin to other people's Arthur. And by being so, it's about allowing Arthur, the chief exec, the head of this team, to be a true Arthur. Merlin doesn't have a place at the round table, the knights, the other members of that team, but they acknowledge that Merlin's going to appear and disappear. So operating in that way is more the jester in the king's court. It's calling the elephant in the room. It's holding the space for what needs to emerge to emerge. And for a lot of organizations, it is a lonely place at the top, both as a top team, let alone as a chief exec. So having someone who is there to hold the space, allow dialogue to take place, to actually call it when they actually say, I think someone needs to say something here, is a really important piece for that team to continue to evolve.
Can you give us an example of when you've done that for a company or a board? Without using any names.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, quite a few. We had recently, a few years ago, had a group, 10 members of a board who were working together. And in fact, we had 5 days together. It was quite amazing that they were a significant board that were able to spend that time. But as a result of the brakes being put on, them exploring each other's viewpoint, really getting to listen to, so that's what you really mean, which they found they never had at board meetings. You know, they did cover what they started to do, the magic of the moment of being in the now allowed them to suddenly see and empower themselves. So in a sense, that transformed the ability of that board to operate more effectively, especially as some of the members of the board found that they hadn't been able to contribute and now they were. So being able to reflect, find that knowing point as a collective team, empowers them then to take action.